DexState gives back to the community in several ways. Being a community financial institution serving Newcastle County, we think that's important. We give back through food drives, community shred events, sponsoring school activities. Whatever the community approaches us, we are willing to listen and help where we can. Well, as you know, Children's Miracle Network is our industry's charity of choice. So supporting the credit union movement, even through the charity of choice, we feel as though is important. So we do participate in probably all the opportunities available through CMN, with whether it's the icons. I have team members that go and volunteer at the Radiothon. Wherever we can help, I'm proud to say that we are the award winner for the state of Delaware for the top credit union for raising funds for the CMN.
It gives us a good feeling to give back to Children's Miracle Network, to see the things that go on at the hospital. It lets us know that the money that we're collecting goes to our local hospital, and we can see firsthand how it's helping the hospital.
It's great to see where our fundraising efforts go. We've gone to Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. We've taken the tour. We've seen what our money is doing. We know what it's going to. We've seen the kids. So it's very rewarding when you go there and you see what your efforts are doing to help those kids in need.
It's important for credit unions to give back because we're not a bank. Credit unions are for our members, which means they're a part of us. So when they come to us, we know about their personal issues. So it's important for us to be able to say, this is what we've done for our members. It's not just about your money. It's not just about, a savings account. This is about your livelihood.
It makes me feel very, very proud to be the leader of this organization, and that the DexState team members that work not only to support our members, work towards supporting the community, and through the Children's Miracle Network, that they are willing and able to do what it takes to support not only the movement, but our community and the charity of choice, CMN.
Just last month, we did 29 events last month, about 500 staff hours. That's just the official ones. We participate in Boys and Girls Club, Delaware Breast Cancer Society, Boy Scouts. I'm going to forget some of the very important ones because Autism Society, the American Heart Association, American Cancer Society. We do so many, and also do some small local ones. We work with local school districts to get school supplies into children's hands. So we do a wide range of them. I mentioned that we did 29 events in August, about 500 hours of our staff time. It takes a full team to do that because some of these are during the work week. So even though Sally Joe may not be able to make it to that event, she's covering for someone else who is at that event. So it is a total team effort. But those 29 events and those 500 hours don't count the sports coaches that we have, the Sunday school teachers that volunteer in the Sunday school, the Girl Scout or Boy Scout leaders, or the 4-H club. So our employees are very active in their private lives as well as the public corporate lives as well. So those 29 events really is probably more like 80 events when you factor all those things in.
Because we're a small, low-income credit union, our members, we don't want to ask too much of them, and we don't want to ask too much of our staff because of our limited ability. But we do, what we do is our staff will donate to a basket. They will put together something. 4 times a year we do a theme. We create a basket, we put gift cards in it, we put food sometimes. Sometimes it's football themed, other times we've had pie. And we put that together, and that we have a drawing at the end of the drive period, and a member wins it. We take a picture, we post it in the lobby, and it's just a way to get everybody involved. That way the staff is doing their part to give to the Children's Miracle Network by creating something that will involve our members as well.
Part of the YPN network, we did this Children's Miracle Network fundraiser, like a guest bartender event. So we had different people from all over different Delaware credit unions who signed up to volunteer to bartend and serve drinks, and then a portion of the proceeds was donated to Children's Miracle Network, and that was for a specific project that they were doing up at CHOP Primary Care. So we raised over $5,700 for the guest bartending event.
You know, our whole mission is to improve the financial well-being of our member. But there's more than just dollars and cents in doing that. If we can make it a better social environment, we make it a better economic environment. We make it a more appealing market for jobs. So, and we get our name out. I mean, but the bottom line is it's the right thing to do for so many reasons, but we do it because it's the right thing to do.